Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to check how many cores your PC has on Windows 11. So let's get started right away. So first thing first, what you need to do, move your cursor into the start menu right over here, then right click on your mouse and you will see the task manager over here. So you need to go to the task manager. Alright, after that what you can simply do to go to the performance, and then from here you need to select the CPU option. And now if we go to the cores, like as you can see, let's make it bigger, and from here as you can see, here are the cores. So here are the CPU cores. For my case the core is 6, that is meaning I have 6 cores in my CPU. So that's how you can simply check how many cores you have in your CPU in Windows 11. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day.